And here we are at the west end of the West End, no pun intended, for a rail hike. These are the old rails that used to run up through here back in the 1900s. Just for a nice Sunday walk with my daughter in the nice woods, checking out what the rain has given us and also overflowed. Total nature all around. Oh, and don't forget the Pineapple Express. That is key. And Pineapple Express is more of a lighter, but it still does the job pretty darn good. But I'm a veteran, so I use mostly heavy indicas, but this is a great one for if you want to get out there, go do things, but yet still be a little light, but nothing too major. And that's what it was caused. And again, we are on a nature hike, so the old rail trail. Okay, you can walk in front a little bit. Or beside me, whatever. And I just make these videos to show that you can still function, be a functionable adult, versus maybe some of you can, but I can't be an alcoholic or heavy drug user and still be a good father. It just isn't possible. So I try to make these videos more on education, more on I know that there's people out there that have been through the same as me that I'm sure this could help. And there's a lot of people that have their doubts, so I guess it's just to show them that you can do it. It is possible. And it is all about, I don't want to say love, but a better side of living, in my view, and more ground to this and this. And so here we are, back at the animals. We were down there earlier. Little stairway spot. And we got a doe right out here. There we go. On this side, we got the big boy.
Okay.
We'll get zoomed in better here, but
I took a picture of the deer.
it's a pretty nice one.
Take that one.